Good morning, bees.
Oh, you got me!
Chucksters! Go-kart ride in Chucksters.
Chucksters, it's unbelievable.
Okay. Anyway, we're on Chucksters. Lots of fun things to do here. And if you're out in New Hampshire, Concord, come check it out. What are we doing, Teresa?
We're doing the timber trek at Chucksters. We're at Wild Willie's.
Wild Willie's. Right there. Wild Willie's. About to get some burgers and hopefully not get hit by a car.
The silver Subaru plowing into a family waiting at the register.
Does it taste good without a car through your legs?
A little bit better.
Very much better.
We have arrived now in Alton Bay, New Hampshire.
Favorite place on earth.
Favorite place on earth. Alton Bay, swimming in the
With paddle boards.
middle of Lake Winnipesaukee. Oh, we're tipping. Okay, so we're in the middle of the lake, and we have two paddle boards and 2 oars, but one of them is over there, and we need to go get it. So that's my mission, is to go rescue the oar. So that is where I'm going now.
I'm gonna paddle away from him. My mission was accomplished. Josh got annoyed that I paddled away. My new
Now you
hairdo.
can do that with your hair. What are you doing? Please don't. Oh no, she's on. Oh no. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh. 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 Yeah. Yeah.